Do you need abdominal liposuction or a tummy tuck? So let's break that down. So abdominal liposuction can only fix one problem, and that is extra or unwanted subcutaneous fat of your abdomen. So when you pinch your belly, you have a bunch of extra fat that you're pinching, that fat can be sucked out. If that's your only problem, liposuction may be a solution for you. Now, if you have any loose skin, that loose skin is only going to get worse after liposuction, because the liposuction is going to remove extra subcutaneous fat from that area, and the skin is going to even become more loose with the less fat or the decreased amount of fat underneath it. So if you have too much skin, then you may need a mini tummy tuck or a tummy tuck. If you have loose muscles on your abdominal wall, you've been pregnant, you've lost a bunch of weight, you have a loose muscle layer, then you need a tummy tuck, and we would need to tighten up those muscles as part of the tummy tuck. And finally, if you have a bunch of fat behind the muscle, like a beer belly, a bunch of fat that you can't pinch, that's behind the muscle, the only way to lose that fat is weight loss, diet, exercise. There's no way to cut out or suck out the fat that is inside your abdominal cavity. So I hope that helps make sense of whether you need liposuction or tummy tuck. And if you have any questions, send us a virtual consult from our website and we can give you some more counseling advice on which procedure you would be a candidate for. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.